2013 Chevy 1500 5.3 liter V8. What we got done on it for you boys and girls today, something a little different. Factory converters there and there. Then we put a high flow third converter there. Then it's got the factory flex pipe. Then we can put a vibrant resonator right there and vibrant bottle muffler. 3-inch pipe. Then 2.5, 3-inch pipe out the back into a 4-inch double wall tip to complete the look. Right there. There it is. There's the muffler that we cut off right there. Perfect. You want a nice deep tone. That vibrant gives it a really nice deep tone. Much better. LTZ. Your sound decibels. Again. Right at 98. Go ahead and back it out. It's probably like 105 because it's on this side, not on that side.